of exponential form. Now there the question before us that 81 over 625 and 49 over 25. We have to convert them into exponential form. So first of all, I will take this rational number 81 over 625. That's this value is in positive term. Therefore, first of all, we will find the prime factorization of 81 and 625 separately. Okay. Now 81, the number 81, 8 plus 1, that is 9. 9 is divisible by 3. Okay. So I will divide 81 by 3 in the rough work in order to find the prime factorization. 3 to the 6 and 2 1 7, that is 27. If I divide 81 by 3, then I will get 27. Now this is very small number. If I divide this, then 9. If I divide 9 by 3, then 3, and 3 divided by 3, that is 1. Okay. Now 81 can be written in the product of 4 times. Okay. Now 625, as the last digit is the 5, the unit digit is the 5, therefore it is divisible on the table of 5. So I divide it here. 5 ones are 5, 2 the 10, and 5 5s are 25. Okay. Now if I divide 625 by 5, then I will get answer 125. Now if I divide 125 by 5, then 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25. Okay. Now it is very small number. I know that this is divisible by 5. 25 divided by 5, the answer is 5. 5 is divided by 5, the answer is 1. Now 81 can be written as 3. So 81 over 625 can be written as 3, 3, 3 and 3. And 625 can be written as 5 multiply 5 multiply 5. Okay. So this can be written as 3 by 5, 3 by 5, 3 by 5 and 3 by 5. 3 by 5 to the power 4. Okay. Now in this way we can write 81 over 625 in the exponential notation. Now 49 by 25. 49, what is the meaning of 49? 7 multiply 7, and 25, it is 5 multiply 5. So I can write 7 by 5 multiply 7 by 5. So it can be written as 7 by 5 power 2. Now question number 5. In this part we will find the value of the given exponential form. Here we will have to multiply minus 5 how many times? 3 times. Minus 5, minus 5, minus 5. First of all, I will expand all the brackets. Now minus 1 to power 7. If I multiply minus 1 7 times, then what will be my answer? So minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 time more. That is this. After that, 2 is multiplied by 2 times. 2 multiply 2. Okay. Now, you will see that how many times a minus symbol is going to multiplied here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Minus symbol is multiplying even number of time. Therefore, the answer will be in plus. And now we are going to multiply 5 with 5, 25, 25 with 5, 125. After that, by multiplying by 1, that is the answer is 125. Now 125 multiply 2, 250, 250 multiply to 500. Therefore, the answer is 500. Okay. Now student, this question 1 by 3 power 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 3 and 1 by 3. Here 3 by 5, 3 by 5. I will write it 2 times. Now how we will solve this? We are seeing that there is 3 and 3 are common in the numerator and denominator. So I will cancel these 3 with the and these 3 with this. Now what is in the numerator? 1 1 1. 1 multiply 1 multiply 1, that is 1, and 3 multiply 5, I will write it 1 over 3 multiply 5 15, 15 multiply 5, that is 75. Okay. Now in this question 3 by 4 is multiplied 2 times. 3 by 4, 3 by 4, and minus 1 by 2 is multiplied 3 times. Minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, and 2 is multiplied 3 times. 2, 2 and 2. Here you will see that 2 2 2 is 3 times in the denominator, and here 2 2 2 3 times in the numerator. So this 2 will cancel this 2, this 2 will cancel this 2, this 2 will cancel this 2. Okay. Now what is left with? Minus 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 multiplying 3 times. So when the minus symbol in the multiplication is odd times, then the answer is in minus. I will write the minus symbol, and 3 multiply 3, that is 9, and 4 multiply 4, that is 16. This is the answer. Here 2 square, 2 square, what is the meaning of 2 square? It means 2 multiply 2. What is the meaning of this? 3 multiply 3 multiply 3. And what is the meaning of 4? 4 multiply 4 multiply 4. Okay. Now 2 multiply 2, that is 4. 3 multiply 3 9, 9 multiply 3 27, and 4 multiply 4 16, 16 multiply 4 64. Now we are going to add these 4 plus 27, that is 31, 31 and 64, 30 and 60 90, 1 and 4 5, that is 95. This is the answer. Now students, in this question number 6, the heading is write the following as a power of 5. We have to write each part as a power of 5. Here how many times the 5 is there? 5 is there only one time. Therefore I can write this 5 to the power 1, as 5 is coming one time. Got it. Now 25. 25 can be written as 5 multiply 5. Clear? So its exponential form will be 5 square or 5 power 2. 5 to the power 2. Clear? Now here 125. We will see the example. We have done the rough work earlier. You see, when we start from 125, the 5 is coming 3 times to the final stage 1. Okay. So I can write 125 is equal to 5 5 5. Now 5 to the power 3. Clear? Similarly 625. We have done the rough work earlier. 625, when we divide 625 by 5, then we see that it is a formation of 4 times 5 when multiplied. Therefore 625 can be written as 5 5 5 5. So its final answer will be this. Similarly, if you divide this number, then how many times the 5 will be there? So I know it, and you have to divide this with 5, and you will get to know that 5 is coming there as a factor multiplication of 5 times. Therefore its answer will be 5 to the power 5. Clear? So students, now you can see all the question very carefully with what we have solved on the sheet. This is the rough work related to this video. Now, thank you.